What is inside our math kit? Red and yellow counters and 10 frames. We will use the red and yellow counters with the 10 frame, and it will help us see how the numbers are less or equal to 10. Unifix cubes. Unifix cubes will be used to help us to count up to 10 and 100 very easy. Dice. We will use dice to identify our numbers, and we can also create very easy addition and subtraction sentences. Reckon Rec bracelet. The Reckon Rec bracelet is a fun way to count, add, or break apart or decompose numbers. Now we have our counting chart up to 120. We will use the counting chart to help us explore numbers, number order, solve problems, and identify patterns. This year, we will use the dry erase board and marker, page protector with cardstock. We will use a dry erase board, dry erase marker, and a page protector with cardstock to easily write and erase. Now that you have previewed some of the math tools we are going to use this year to become math experts, take some time to learn the names of these tools so when it's time for math, you are ready to go. We can't wait to see you. Welcome to First Grade Math.